Jenks, after what happened last week here in the bottom half of the league, your assessment of that performance tonight?
Well, first and foremost, I don't think we should be here. All right, we should be somewhere else, but tough. Tough conditions, even though we weren't as windy as what we anticipated. But it's always a tough place to come. So obviously first half, I thought we lacked quality of the game. We weren't great, but then we sort of come out second half, started a lot brighter, started on the front foot, looked a better team, got our goals, looked comfortable. But then again, concede late on, and then it was sort of a bit more difficult last 10 minutes than they should have been.
Corbs, another tough evening tonight. Do you feel you should have got more out of that game?
Yeah, I do. I thought we were superb first half. Really were. I think we were very good in terms of pressing well and winning first and second balls. And I felt, we were probably the better side first half. But again, then we come out second half. We said in there we've conceded so many goals in the first 5 minutes, and again, to concede so early on from a simple ball just over the top of us, it's disappointing,
Ollie, first game of the second half of the season, how crucial was it to get that 3 points tonight?
Yeah, I think it was very crucial. Obviously, I think as a team, a bit disheartened to finish in the bottom 6 the way we did. But ultimately, we know if we get off to a fast start and win a few games, I think we'll be favourites to finish in that 7th spot.
In that first half, you were on the front foot. Do you feel you had the best chance in Johnny Evans?
Yeah, probably the first half. There was limited chances in the first half, and like you say, when you've got a chance like that, we tend to have to take that chance, because we don't tend to make that many chances, So, it is disappointing that we didn't get, Johnny make a little bit of hit the target better, but it is what it is, unfortunately.
It's crucial to get that, early goal in the second half, and it's a cracking ball and a cracking finish by Ollie Ulbert.
No, it was a great ball down the side, and like I say, Ollie had a lot of time to think about it, but he's finished it really well. And obviously getting the second, and then we probably had opportunities to get the third and kill it off, which we didn't. And then, like I say, they get the goal, which I think was harsh on us, because I felt it was a free kick in terms of before they had the counter, which I'd like to see again. But I felt we deserved to win the game.
We've opened up a gap on Connors Key now, who play tomorrow, and those big games coming up now towards the end of the season.
Yeah, I think every game's a massive game, and as long as we keep trying to win, I think we'll open the gap more, and hopefully we'll finish in 7th.